Good day to my fellow viewers. I would like to present my topic, which is the development of machine vision system for riverine floating debris counting. Rivers is a very important part of human daily life. Large proportion of our raw water supply for multiple needs comes from the river. Being very important in the development of nations and culture, it is not surprising that major towns in Malaysia are located along riverbanks, just like the majority of cities around the world. In Malaysia, there are about 150 river systems in West Malaysia and 50 river systems in East Malaysia. In addition, abundant rainfall, around 3,000 mm annually, making the absence of fresh water sources very unlikely. Unfortunately, when cities and hometowns develop around the rivers, majority of waste from the development will end up in the river. According to the Department of Environment in 2017, from 477 monitored rivers, 207 are intermediately polluted and 51 are highly polluted. If we look at the rivers in the city centers, often we can see empty bottles floating among other rubbish. This is due to human activities along the rivers. Illegal dumping of waste products and untreated sewages poured directly into the rivers has become part of major causes of river pollution. We can see there are some efforts to solve the river pollution. Such efforts include having a campaign to educate people about river pollution, such as the annual World Rivers Day every fourth Sunday of September. There are also more notable direct intervention, which is done by NGOs such as the Ocean Cleanup at Klang River. The Ocean Cleanup had installed a floating garbage collector called the Interceptor 002, which the machine were placed at the river sea's intersection to make sure the garbage did not enter the sea. This idea is simple, however, the implementation is far from easy because most rivers are wide, sometimes in several kilometers. The first location where the machine is placed, the Klang River, is about 438 meter wide, based on the length of the Kota Bridge. The machine have to be put at the right location at the right time in order to effectively collect all the garbage. For optimal placement, we can count the number of floating debris from top of a bridge. This can help to get the rough distribution of the floating debris along the rivers, as well as allowing machines such as the interceptor to be optimally placed. Despite the process of counting is so easy for human, there are some difficulty need to be faced. First is that human cannot work continuously for long hours, at maximum 3 hours, or after that they will lose concentration and giving inaccurate data. Secondly is that we will have no data when no one is doing the counting. Thirdly, the condition of the day, such as raining or at night, make the counting is difficult or impossible. Finally, hiring a human costs money. Therefore, I would like to propose the development of a machine vision system for counting the floating garbage debris. The working of the machine vision system is simple. When, when there is a floating debris on the river, the debris will be captured by the camera as a live video feed. Artificial intelligence or AI will detect and count the debris capture. Thus, the counting process can be automated, continuous, with very little intervention from human, thus eliminating the problems of using human operator to do the counting manually. This automated counting will optimize the ocean cleanup machine placement because the statistic can be retrieved in real time. We can also use the data to educate the public by displaying the statistic on the floating of the garbage detected via the billboard, which may serve as a reminder of pollution and educate people about river pollution. I'm sure if the public saw the numbers, they will be very horrified and will refrain from littering in the river. I will be using the latest AI development kit with a fast garbage detection algorithm that will allow accurate garbage counting in real time. This effort will be beneficial to environmentalists, government, NGOs to help reduce river pollution in Malaysia or perhaps the world. Thank you very much for listening.